In the South Korean city of Suwon, there's no shortage of community spirit. For the second day, South Korea reported more recoveries from the coronavirus than new infections. The health authority has urged people to stay vigilant to fight against new clusters, and there's still work to do. These volunteers are packing relief kits for those still in quarantine.
The
people in isolation must be going through a hard time. The box isn't much, but I hope it gives them strength and they can cheer up.
In Australia, panic has caused fights in supermarket shopping aisles.
It's all in the media. It's one per customer.
From Monday, all gatherings of more than 500 people will be banned. Australia's nearest neighbour isn't taking any chances.
Every person entering New Zealand, including returning New Zealand citizens and residents, will be required to enter self-isolation for 14 days. Everybody.
In Indonesia, 2 million litres of disinfectant are to be distributed among mosques. There are fears about how many undetected cases there are across the archipelago, and the World Health Organization has asked Indonesia to intensify its monitoring, quarantine and tracing efforts. The government confirmed its first coronavirus cases last week, and as the number steadily rises, efforts to contain the virus are ramping up. Jakarta's governor has announced all schools will be shut for at least 2 weeks. Many popular attractions like theme parks, zoos and museums will also be closed. These restrictions could be extended if the virus continues to spread through one of the world's most densely populated cities. It's the new reality for millions around the world. Events cancelled, attractions closed. There are few things that can get between Indian cricket fans and the game they love. But now a match between India and South Africa will be played with no spectators. As the alarm intensifies in other parts of the world, life's slowly returning to normal in parts of China, with authorities last week declaring the peak of the epidemic over. Wuhan has reported only a handful of cases for the past 2 days. These recovered patients are leaving hospital and are one step closer to returning to their normal lives. It could be months before the rest of the world can do the same. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, Jakarta.